So many of the women who question whether they're the right woman to attend a back to the body retreat have in their question this identity of being a parent, and somehow there's this idea that perhaps parents shouldn't be exploring themselves fully around the theme of sexuality. And for me, I would just kind of make the question much simpler for them, which is basically, are you coming to a back to the body retreat to basically explore your wholeness, explore how to kind of fill your to be a whole healthy person, and then you ask the question, well, who do I want to be as a parent? Do I want to be a person in their wholeness, or do I want to be a person who lives in a fragmentation of themselves? Well, I'm doing this, but the subject or the theme of sexuality is something that I'm just going to put aside, and I think that that's actually a disservice to a person wanting to be a whole parent, and then in a sense it's also a disservice to the concept of trying to raise whole children. So I know there's a kind of a running commentary in our society that says that good sex belongs to the young and beautiful, but I say that it belongs to the embodied and the wise, the embodied and the alive. And I think it's with age that we learn the nuances of embodiment and wisdom, and therefore good sex belongs throughout life, not just this simple idea of to the young and beautiful.